In this tutorial, we will show you how to manage email autoresponders. An email autoresponder is used while configuring email notifications. There are many events to which the auto email triggers, such as roster approval notifications, sharing timesheets, birthday greetings, etc. To edit or personalize the template with your desired content, first navigate to the App tab, and click Email Autoresponders. You will see a list of predefined email autoresponders with the option to edit or inactivate with each record. You can add your desired content and merge fields from the list of variables mentioned below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.